All right. So I'm just gonna read what I wrote down to this trade, and I'm going through it. So coming into the market, I was kind of sleepy because I slept for an hour before that. By the time market opened, I was completely fit though. At first, I thought I was going to take longs today because pre-market swept some sell-side liquidity and started to rally higher. I meant this sweep, we came down, swept this sell side, and started to rally high and created this all-time high. Higher and created a new all-time high. At this point, I knew I wasn't going to take longs anymore because of my all of my take profit levels already has been taken out. This would be my last take profit, and this one has been smashed, so I wouldn't take longs. Um, as soon as market opened, we started going lower, and I wasn't too sure about taking a trade today because I would trade against that trend, and we had some fair value gaps resting below previous swing low. I meant this this one and this fair value gap here resting below this swing low here. I started to remember that as soon as we created a new all-time high in the past few weeks, we almost instantly started to dump. I went back in price action and it happened almost every time. So we can see here, like damn, all-time high started to dump, all-time high dumping, all-time high dumping, all-time high dumping, all-time high dumping. So um, I went back in price action and it happened every time. After that, I was ready to take shorts with confidence. We had a 5-minute breakout out of the 15-minute opening range, which was this big black candle. Um, yes, we had after that we had a retracement into this 1-minute fair value gap, which was resting inside of this big 5-minute fair value gap. We dipped into this fair value gap, and I waited till we invalidated this fair value gap, signaling to me that we are ready to change, that we already changed order flow and are now ready to go short. Since my opening range was really big, I decided to place my stop loss below my 15-minute orb high and above this 5-minute fair value gap. So usually I set my stop loss at like the opposite level of the breakout, but this time this would have been a big stop loss, way too big, so I decided to place it above this candle, which created the fair value gap. Mm, my take profit at Asian low, which gave me a positive risk to reward. After we swept London session, I went break even and I got stopped out by, I don't know, like 4 or 5 pips. I'm sure if I had a lower spread, um, yes, a lower spread, I still would be in the trade. Well, I would have won this trade. But I followed my plan, I followed my rules, and I got stopped out break even. I'm not too mad about I not at all, because all of my take profit levels have been hit. So after we would have came to Asian low, I would have just dragged my stop loss to London line. I would have just let it run. But yes, my take profit got hit. I followed my rules. I followed my plan. I'm very satisfied with this trade. I like this trade. I don't think I'm going to trade the rest of the week because of news. But yeah, if the volatility is good, if the market is good, price action looks good, maybe.